So guys, in today's video I am telling you how to build the execution time using Python. So see this video start to end, and if you don't see this video start to end, you have problem with your code. So please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to call the notification bell also. So now please see this video start to end. Please access my Python playlist also and bookmark it also. So now I do not take a long time. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video I am telling you about execution time using Python, and this is a project. So now let's start it. So first of all, the execution or running time of the programs indicates how quickly the output is delivered based on the algorithm you use to solve the problem. To calculate the execution time of the program, we need to calculate the time taken by the program from its initialization to the final result. So if you want to learn how to calculate the execution time of a Python program, this article is for you. In this article, I will take you through a tutorial on calculating the execution time of a Python program. Execution time of a Python program. It is important to calculate the execution time when working on a large project. When working on a large project, we have several approaches in mind, and the best should be the one that takes the shortest execution time in all scenarios. So to calculate the execution time of a Python program, we need to follow the steps mentioned below. First, store the time of initialization of the program into a variable. Write a Python program. Store the end time of the Python program into a variable. Subtract the time of initialization of the program from the end time of the program. In the end, you will get the execution time of your program in seconds. Calculating execution time of a Python program. Now let's follow the process and describe in the above section to calculate the time taken by a Python program. Here I will be write a simple program to create a acronym. Okay, so now we are using a Visual Studio Code. We don't have to go onto the Google, and when you go onto the Google, search here Visual Studio Code download, then click on the first link, then download on Mac, Linux or Windows. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Linux, maybe you download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. I am on Windows, so I already downloaded. I don't have to download it another time. Okay, so now first of all I will be open my Visual Studio Code, and here I will be make one file of execution time.py. and you are thinking why I am writing like .py. Py means Python. If you don't write py, so your Python file will be not built. I am building my Python file into the desktop, so create file. So now my file will be built. So here we can write like from time import time. So here we can write like start time, then this. Then now we define like hashtag comment like Python program to create acronyms. Okay, Python program to create acronyms. Word we in word double commas. Then in double commas we write like artificial intelligence. Okay, and then text I am writing like word dot split, then that. Now I am write like a slash then double commas, then I give him space in double commas. Now we write like for I in text, then that. Now we write like a slash a plus str, then we write like that, then I, then single bracket, then 0, then dot upper, then this. Now we write like that, so we write like here print should be a, then we write like end time, that, then we write like execution, then time slash end slash start, then space. And now here we can write when our work is done till here. So we write like here print, then this in double commas we write like here execution time, then this, then space, then comma, then execution, Then we write like here time. When we write like that, so we write like from time import time. Then we write like start slash time, then this. Now we write like Python program to create background mesh. Then we write like that. So I think my work is done till here. Yeah, when I erase it like that, so now our work is done till here, so we save from here. Okay, now when I will be save from here, then I run it from here. This is a run file, and the shortcut key is also known as Control Alt N. If you press Control Alt N, so it will be run automatically, but I am clicking here. When I click, so it will giving me the answer like AI execution time. Here you can see it in seconds. It is giving me the time like 976085566284176969. So this is called the execution time. As you can see in the above output, we first have received the result of the Python program, and in the next line we can see its running time in second. So this is how you can calculate the execution time of any program. So this is how you can find the execution time of your program. For calculating the execution time of a program, we calculate the time taken by the program from its initiation till the final output. I hope you like this article on calculating the running time of a Python program. Feel free to ask valuable questions in the comment section below. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and I hope you can understand what are execution time and how to build it. So please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python playlist also and bookmark it also. So now I meet you next class, and next very amazing class of Python or big video, maybe Python project. So for today, goodbye.